Welcome to Bluetimes. It's time for a professional deep dive. Stop being tempted by low prices. Today, we're taking you straight to the core secret of a truly high-quality marking machine. We're going to open it up and show you the truth. Every single critical component that goes into our high-performance marker. We are driven by a pursuit of ultimate stability and exceptional longevity. Now, let's explore the inner workings of Bluetimes and prove to you, with genuine materials and craftsmanship, that high quality is, in fact, the real low cost. The body of the Bluetimes machine features a thickened aluminum alloy frame. Let's start with the laser source, the undisputed heart of the marking machine. We insist on utilizing premium, original fiber lasers from Rikas. This choice provides your production line with 3 core guarantees. The machine maintains full power output during long, continuous working hours, eliminating inconsistencies like marking variations in depth or color. The excellent beam quality ensures that marking clarity and fineness far surpass that of machines equipped with lower specification lasers. Designed for superior thermal management, our laser boasts an impressive mean time between failures of over 10,000 hours. Next is the galvanometer system, which is the component that dictates your marking speed and ultimate precision. Bluetimes standardizes across its entire line with Jinhai Q1 high-speed digital galvo scanner. This guarantees stable lines and eliminates jitter or line distortion when processing at high speeds. The marking precision is maintained and does not degrade, even through prolonged, continuous operation. This high-end system is paramount to ensuring your machine delivers long-term accuracy and sustained stability. Let's now examine the internal setup. Bluetimes utilizes industrial-grade power supplies coupled with a zoned wiring design. Our investment in this area yields significant advantages for your operation. Our power modules are designed with 20 to 30% redundancy. This critical feature prevents system crashes or failures, even when operating in harsh or electrically unstable environments. We employ expert wiring techniques and anti-interference cabling. This results in significantly lower electromagnetic interference and a corresponding reduction in fault rates. The modular structure keeps everything easy to service. We put the cost where it counts, in performance, stability, and use of dependable use. We utilize a leading-edge hardware design to ensure Bluetimes equipment operates stably and efficiently in any demanding environment. We implement a distinctive system for thermal zoning and air guidance, paired with silent industrial fans. The result, your equipment temperature remains consistently stable, which effectively extends the lifespan of all core components. The main chassis is CNC precision machined, resulting in an extremely stable structure that effectively minimizes the impact of vibration on the optical path. Designed to handle complex industrial sites, the machine is highly effective at resisting dust and oil mist infiltration. This truly guarantees your production line maintains 720 for stable operation. The true value of a quality marking machine lies in the unseen quality of its materials, its craftsmanship, and its details. Bluetimes doesn't compete for the lowest price. We focus exclusively on providing more stable, more durable, and more professional laser equipment, aiming to be your trusted partner for industrial solutions. For more information on our models, visit our website or speak with one of our technical consultants.